If you want to hard reset your Google Pixel 10 via recovery mode, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So I'm gonna press power button and volume up button at the same time so that we can see the power menu. And over here, we're gonna press power off. Now let's wait for the phone to shut down. And once that happens, you want to press and hold the power button and volume down. So press and hold both of these buttons until you see the fast boot mode. There we go. And now over here, use volume up and down in order to choose a different option over here. And we are looking, of course, for the recovery mode. Once you see it, press power button. Wait a couple of seconds. You should once again see Google logo and then the no command screen. In that case, we need to press and hold the power button. And then while holding the power button, press volume up like this. And now we are in the Android recovery. Over here, just use volume buttons again in order to navigate, and we need to go to wipe data / factory reset. Confirm by pressing the power button, and then over here go to factory data reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.